Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? We'll be starting exercise 3.7 today from this book. Exercise 3.7 is about polygons, and the question relating to polygons are there. First two questions are very easy, and I'll be doing I'll be touching some parts of these questions. Before going into the exercise, my student has requested me to explain the same in Urdu. Well, I'll be starting my Urdu version very soon, so don't worry, I'll be starting that channel for you, for those in Pakistan. But since we are studying the Cambridge mathematics, so I hope that my most of the students uh, will understand the same in English rather than in Urdu. तो बहुत जल्द मैं आपके लिए उर्दू के अंदर भी ये लेक्चर्स लेकर आ रहा हूँ। बस थोड़ा सा इंतज़ार कीजिए और इंशाल्लाह हम जल्द ही ये उर्दू के अंदर भी शुरू करने वाले हैं। लेकिन चूँकि ये मैं काफ़ी सारा कोर्स कवर कर चुका हूँ, तो इस वजह से ये होगा कि जहाँ से मैं स्टार्ट करूँगा वहीं से, यानी जहाँ से इंग्लिश में इस वक्त इंग्लिश के वर्जन के अंदर हूँ, वहीं से हम उर्दू का वर्जन भी स्टार्ट कर देंगे। तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड with the exercise, and our first question is copy and complete the table. Now it is a very simple table, and we have to uh, mention the interior angles of these polygons. As I told you, my dear students, that polygon does not mean that the shape with more than four sides. It is also triangle, it is also quadrilateral. These are also considered as polygon. But in general practice, as I am telling you, in general practice and in mathematics, the polygon refers to the shape which is more than four sides. So we do it for more than four sides. Now, first question is asked that uh, what are the interior angles of pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, and so forth up to 20. So I am going to do few of them because it is very easy to calculate the interior angles of any polygon. Suppose we have a hexagon. Hexagons means a shape with six sides. So hexagon. This is exercise 3.7, and question is A. Hexagon C. So what was our formula? That's the sum of angles is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. Now here 180 stands for the angles within the triangle. You know that in triangle there are how many angles? The sum of interior angle of the triangles are 180, and of course when we say hexagon, it means that we have to produce some triangles in it. So there are how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. That means shape, the sides minus 2. So it is written over here, sides minus 2. So it is side, n is equal to side minus 2 and multiplied by 180. So it is 4 times 180. So that will become 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 32 and 4 ones 37. 720 are the interior angles. 720 are the sum of the interior angles of yeah, of this hexagon. Now, if you want to find one angle out of it, if it is a regular polygon, if it is a regular hexagon, then what we have to do is we just divide it by 6, the number of the sides. So 6 one times, 6 two times, and 0. You see that we have found the one angle out of it. So but our answer is, so far our answer is 720. These are the sum of angles. These are the sum of angles. And similarly, we can find, I can just do the last one also. It is a 20-sided figure, and 20-sided figure, our next is 20-sided figure. Now, when 20-sided figure, so we have to replace this 6 with 20. So 20 minus 2 multiplied 180. So it will become 18 multiplied 180, and it is simple to do it. 180 and 18, 0, 64, 14, 180. Now this is equal to 3240 degrees. The interior angle of a polygon with 20 sides, have total angles of 3240. आपको समझ आ रहा है ना? तो मेरे ख्याल से ये आपको समझ आ चुका होगा कि जब हमने किसी एंगल्स के, किसी भी पॉलीगॉन के मजमूई तादाद मालूम करनी है एंगल्स की, इंटीरियर एंगल, और इंटीरियर एंगल आपको पता है ये वाले होते हैं, तो उनके लिए हमें ये वाला फार्मूला लगाना होता है n-2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 180. तो उससे ये देखें कि n मीन्स द साइड ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स. नाउ दिस मीन्स द साइड ऑफ ट्राइंगल n. तो जितने भी हमारे पास साइड्स हैं फॉर हेक्सागन इट इज 6, एंड फॉर 20 साइडेड फिगर इट इज 20. सो आप इसको इस तरह करके मालूम कर सकते हैं. नाउ फॉर द नेक्स्ट इट इज द सेम. But as I told you, when we have to find only one angle out of it, I have already done this question number 2. I have already done in this. We have found the sum of interior angle, that was 780, and we divided it by the number of the sides, and it became as 120. Now question number 2 says to find the one angle out of it. So one angle out of it means this. First we have to do the same procedure. Now I am going to do again 2 questions. C, question number 2 part C is octagon, and you know octagon means, octa means 8, just like the octopus. Octopus has 8 legs. So octagon means 8 sides. Now n means n is equal to 8. Now when n is equal to 8, it means n minus 2 multiplied by 100 and is again divided by n. Is again divided by n. Then we will find the one interior angle. One interior angle. It is equal to one interior. This is the sum of interior angle. So we have to find the sum of interior angles in our numerator. Then we have to divide the same with the n. We have to divide the same with n. So what will happen over here? So you see that n is equal to 8. N is equal to 8 minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided by 8. Okay, now it will become 6 180 multiplied by 6, that will become 1080 is the total number of, is the sum of the angles of octagon, is the sum of the angle of octagon, interior angles, sum of the angles of octagon. But if we divide it with 8, we'll get only one angle if it is regular polygon. So 8 one times, 2 came out of it, 8 3 times 24, 4 came out of it, and 135. 135 is the required angle of our 135. Each angle of octagon, each angle of the octagon is equal to 135 degree. So similarly, you can do any question if from here if you like to do. Now question number 2, and part I am going to take is E. The figure is dodecagon. Dodecagon. It means total 12 sides. It is called dodecagon. Dodecagon. And it is a figure of 12 sides. तो बच्चों ये देखिए कि ये है डोडेकागॉन और इसकी साइड्स होती हैं 12. ठीक है, तो अब क्या करना है हमें कि वही फार्मूला हमें लगाना है. सबसे पहले हमारा जो फार्मूला होगा दैट विल बी सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल्स, sum of interior angles of polygon. Okay, now it is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180, and if we want to find one angle out of it, one interior angle, you can say it one interior angle, that will be the same result will be done like this. This result will come over here, we'll divide it with n. So one interior angle will be equal to this. तो बच्चों इस तरह करना है. ये खास उनके लिए जिन्होंने मुझे रिक्वेस्ट की है कि उर्दू में भी थोड़ा सा समझा दिया करें. तो सबसे पहले हम वही फार्मूला लेंगे n-2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 180, और उसी को हम आगे लेकर चलेंगे एक एंगल के लिए, जो कि हमारे पास कोई भी एक एंगल होगा. यहाँ पर ये 12 की शक्ल बनानी काफ़ी मुश्किल है, इसलिए मैं 12 की बजाय ये 6 वाली बना रहा हूँ. तो इसको इंटीरियर एंगल कहते हैं. तो ये इंटीरियर एंगल है, और अगर आपने ये सारे का तमाम का सम मालूम करना है तो ये एंगल है. एक एंगल मालूम करना है, लेकिन एक एंगल मालूम करने के लिए शर्त ये होनी चाहिए कि ये रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन होना चाहिए. तो इससे हमें ये मालूम हो जाएगा. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम हियर. सो इट इज 12 minus 2 multiplied by 180, it is equal to 10. 10 multiplied, that will be equal to 1800. Okay, now that will be equal to 1800. How it is 1800? 12 minus 2 is equal to 10, and 10 multiplied 180 is equal to 180. जब आप 10 को 180 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये 1800 आएगा. Then again for this one angle, this has already been solved. ये ऊपर वाला हिस्सा सॉल्व हो चुका. अब हमने इसको 12 से तकसीम करना है, डिवाइड करना है. तो 12 1 times, 6 came out of it 5 times, and this will be equal to 150 degree angle. Now in a dodecagon, the angle, one angle be 150 degree interior angle. Now next question number 3 says a regular polygon has 15 sides. Now I don't know the name of that 15-sided polygon, because these are very complex and very much difficult to remember. So a 15-sided polygon, we have to find the sum of interior angle. Very easy. We'll find it with n minus. Now, question number 3. Question number 3. And the first part is A, and we have to find the sum of interior angle. It is very easy to find the sum of interior angle, that is n minus 2, and we have the 15 sides now. 15 sides. N minus 2 multiplied by 180. So it becomes 13 multiplied by 180. Since n is equal to 15, n is equal to 15, जब n 15 होगा तो 15 में से 2 निकालेंगे 13, 13 को 180 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है हमें. 13 multiplied by 180, that is equal to 2340. तो सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल इस तरह निकालते हैं. n minus 2 multiplied by 180, that is equal to 2340. Now in part B, this was part A, we have also to find the sum of exterior angles. एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स क्या होते हैं भाई? एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स, जैसे कि मिसाल के तौर पर मैं ये एक फिगर बना रहा हूँ, ये सबसे आसान फिगर होती है इसलिए मैं ये बार बार बनाता हूँ. ये देखें, इट इज वेरी इजी फॉर अ हेक्सागन to draw. Now these angles are exterior angles, and we have already proved that the sum of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree in my last lecture. So these should become 360 degree. How? There is a formula that is equal to that is sum of interior plus exterior angles is equal to 180 multiplied by n. So this is the formula to find the exterior angle of any polygon. से आप किसी भी इस एक्सटीरियर एंगल मालूम कर सकते हैं, और एक्सटीरियर एंगल जो होते हैं वो ये होते हैं. These are the exterior angles of any polygon. I have taken the example of hexagon only. So what is this now? It will become interior angles are already we have found it 3400, 2340. 2340 are the interior angles. We don't know the exterior angles, so it will become like this. This is 15-sided figure. This is 15-sided figure. It is given. Given a 15-sided figure जो है that is given. So proceed in an algebraic form. इसको algebra की तरह आप इसको हल कर सकते हैं. That is equal to 15 multiplied by 180. That is equal to 2700. E is equal to 2700 minus 2000. Now this is an algebraic way to solve the questions. इसको यहाँ से eliminate करना है, यहाँ पर ले जाना. So it will become minus. Now as I told you, it will become as 360. So it means that whatsoever the polygon is, that the sum of exterior angles be 360. Now we have come to these two results. The other two results are very easy to find, and that is the sum, the size of each interior angle. Now this is the sum of the interior angles for a polygons, for a regular polygons with 15 sides. Now it is very easy to find one angle out of it, and it is 2340 divided by 15. 2340 divided by 15. It will become, for part C, it will become 156. It is part C, and part D is for this. Part D is for this, to find one angle out of it. So it is very easy again, you just divide it by 15. 316, 360, 360 को आपने 15 से डिवाइड कर देना है. So the angle should be 24 degree each. एक्सटीरियर एंगल जो होगा एक, दैट विल बी 24 डिग्री, और जो इंटीरियर एंगल होगा, यानी इंटीरियर एंगल उस 15 वाली फिगर का, इस वाली फिगर का नहीं, 15 वाली फिगर का जो एक इंटीरियर एंगल होगा, दैट विल बी 156 एंड द एक्सटीरियर एंगल, दिस इज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल, दैट विल बी 424 डिग्री. So it is very easy. Now dear students, question number 4, and the question number 4 states a regular polygon has exterior angles is equal to 15 degree, and how many sides does this polygon have? Now it is very easy question, question number 4, and it says that the exterior angle of the polygon, let me draw again, for example, a hexagon. I told you that I feel it very easy to draw it. So this is the exterior angle. These all are the exterior angles, and we don't know how many sides does this polygon have. The only thing which is given is this, that this angle is 15 degree. This exterior angle is 15 degree. One of the exterior angle is 15 degree. Now if we see that we have already proved that E, which is the sum of the exterior angles of the polygon. E is the sum of the exterior angles of polygon, and it measures is equal to 360 degree in each and every case. In each and every case, whatsoever the polygon is, it remains 360, E remains 360. बच्चों ये मैं आपको ये बता रहा हूँ कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के अंदर ये पूछा गया है कि जब आपके पास एक एंगल दिया गया है, बाहर वाला एंगल, एक्सटीरियर एंगल, दैट इज इक्वल टू 15 डिग्री, जो 15 डिग्री है, तो हमें ये मालूम करना है कि उसकी साइड्स कितनी है. ठीक है, वी हैव टू फाइंड n आउट ऑफ इट, and n we know that n refers to the sides, n number of sides मालूम करनी है, and we have to find the number of sides. It is number of sides. और ये हम प्रूव कर चुके हैं कि ये जितने भी हमारे पास एंगल्स होते हैं हर पॉलीगॉन के अंदर, वो 360 डिग्री के बराबर होते हैं, दैट आर इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. Therefore we can easily say that E is equal to 360 degree. Since E is equal to 360 degree, तो हम it is very easy to find the sides, that is equal to 360 divided by n, by the angle, by one angle, which is 15 degree. Okay, now it becomes, it is very easy to find here 360 degree. 3 now it becomes 24. N is equal to 24. Now you see that कि हमने यहाँ पर 24 साइड्स मालूम कर ली है, n 24 है, ये 24 साइड्स वाली पॉलीगॉन है. Now how we have found this, that E is equal to sum of exterior angles of, it remains as 360. ये हमेशा 360 ही रहेगी. तो हमें जब ये 360 दी हुई है, एक हमें यहाँ पर 15 डिग्री दिया हुआ है, तो एक 15 डिग्री दिया हुआ है, तो हम उसको जाहिर है कि वो दैट इज द सम ऑफ, और एक दिया हुआ है, तो बड़ी आसानी से हमने इसको एक मालूम कर लिया कि द नंबर ऑफ द साइड्स इज इक्वल टू 24 डिग्री. इट वाज वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. Now last three parts are uh, have to be drawn on the board. So let me draw it. Now, dear students, there are two shapes drawn in front of you. Let we discuss them one by one. And it is question number 5 and part A and B. Question number 5, this is part A and this is part B. Let me discuss them one by one. And we have to find the unknown angles with the help of known angles. तो हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पर दो के साथ जो है वो अशकाल बनी हुई है और इन अशकाल को, ये पॉलीगॉन्स हैं, इनको हमने इसके अंदर कुछ एंगल्स दिए हुए हैं और कुछ मालूम करने हैं। क्या मालूम करने हैं, आइए देखते हैं। एक्स एक्स, नाउ दिस एंगल इज एक्स, दिस एंगल इज आल्सो एक्स, ये गिवन है। और बाकी सारे एंगल्स 90 डिग्री के, these are 90 degree each, 1 2 3, and two angles are given named x. Now we have to find the value of these x in this polygon. So you know that this is a polygon with figure with sides 1 2 3 4 5, five sides. It has five sides. Now this is a figure with five sides. ये पांच साइडों वाली पॉलीगॉन है और पांच साइडों वाली पॉलीगॉन के अंदर द सम ऑफ द इंटीरियर एंगल ऑफ पेंटागन इज 540 डिग्री. द इंटीरियर एंगल, द सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल, द सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल, द सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल is equal to how much? 540 degree that we have done in our question number 1. So that means x. Now these two are x, that means it is 2x. Let me write it, 2x plus 90. These are all 90, ये 90 90 के बराबर है. तो 2x plus 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 90, 270 is equal to 540. Now simple algebraic method, eliminate this from here, minus 270. So 540 minus 270 is equal to 270. Again 540 minus 270. So 2x is equal to, so x is equal to 135 degree. So x is equal to 135 degree. It was very easy question. You can write also the reason that this is a pentagon. This is a pentagon, and a pentagon and the interior angle of pentagons is equal to 540 degree. Now what is this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now this is heptagon, and heptagon has n is equal to 7 degree, n is equal to 7, n is equal to 7. जब ये हेप्टागन होता है तो दैट मीन्स हेप्टागन की कितनी साइडें होती हैं? 7. तो 7 साइडें होती हैं. तो आइए अब इसको देख लेते हैं कि ये इसमें गिवन क्या क्या है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड x ओवर हियर. यहाँ पर भी हमें x ही फाइंड करना है. तो ये कितने साइडें हैं? 7 साइड्स. गो के दिस इज अ इरेगुलर पॉलीगॉन, but even then if it is irregular polygon, then even then the sum of the interior angles be 900 degree, 900 degree, which we have already done in our question number 1. 900 degree, the uh, sum of a sum of interior angle of heptagon. This is a heptagon. Heptagon contains 900 degree. Now these all should be 900 degree. So it is very easy that x is x plus 130 140 130 120 100 170. just add all, इन सबको ऐड कर दें. 40 130 120 100 170. Now what will it become? This is equal to x plus 790 is equal to 900. So x is equal to 900 minus 790. So x is equal to 110 degree. Now dear students, this is the last question. Question number 5, part C. This is part C, and you see that it is again a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sides are given. Angles are given. 2x, 2x, 90, 90. When this sign appears, it means it is 90 degree. So again, it is very easy. The sum of the interior angle of pentagon is 540 degree. I have already told you that. Now n is equal to 5. So therefore, the sum of interior angles I is equal to 540. So this we uh, have infer from this figure. Okay. So 72 plus 4x, 2x plus 2x, 4x, and 90 plus 90 is 180 is equal to 540. So adding up these two, we'll get this 4x plus 252 is equal to 540, and 4x is equal to 540 minus 252. That will become 288. X is equal 4x. This was 4x, so s is equal to 288 divided by 4. For 7 times and for 2 times. So it means that x is equal to 72. When x is equal to 72, then 2x is equal to 72 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 and 144. Now this each angle is 144 degree. प्यारे बच्चों, क्या हुआ कि हमने ये एक पेंटागन थी, पेंटागन के अंदर हमें ये वाला एंगल और ये 2x दिया हुआ था, ये 2x दिया हुआ था, ये 90 90, तो हमने इंटीरियर एंगल चूंकि 540 डिग्री के बराबर होते हैं, तो हमने ये सिंपल ये किया कि सब एंगल्स को अंदर वाले जितने भी एंगल्स दिए हुए थे उनको जमा कर लिया. 72 2x और 2x 4x हो गया, 90 और 90 180 हो गया. तो इनको जमा करने के बाद मैं वो लगा दी, इक्वेशन बना ली. इक्वेशन बनाने के बाद हमें ये आ गया. अब ये हमें x की वैल्यू आई है 72. जब x की वैल्यू 72 आई है तो ये 2x है, तो 2x उससे यानी उससे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो ये 144 ईच एंगल हो गया 144. सो मेरे अच्छे दोस्तों और स्टूडेंट्स, it is all for today, and the exercise has been finished, and we are up to circles now. So we'll be doing circles in our next lecture. हम आइंदा लेक्चर में सर्कल्स करेंगे. तो तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़. लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और फैमिली फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा. बेल बटन पे ज़रूर कुछ कर दिया करें ताकि मेरी हर आने वाली वीडियो आपको जल्द अज जल्द मिल सके. तो it's time to say you goodbye. Allah Hafiz, and don't miss my Urdu channel, and don't forget to subscribe my Urdu channel as well. I am working on it. In next week or some days I'll be launching that Urdu channel as well. Don't worry for Urdu students. I am there. Allah Hafiz.